Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In the previous video, we saw how to create coupons using the WooCommerce basic plugin. So in the WooCommerce basic plugin, there is an option to create different coupons and discounts for your customer. Now in this video, we will see how to create gift cards on your website. So customer will be able to buy gift cards for their own account, or they will be able to buy gift cards for their friends and relatives. So they will send these gift cards to their relatives and friends, and their friends and relatives will be able to use these gift cards on your website. So they will be able to purchase products from your website and they will use these gift cards as a discount coupon. So this will be an additional feature that you can add to your website and you will get new customer to your website. So let's see how we can do this. So we are going to use the WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin. This is the plugin that you will find on the WooCommerce website. The pricing of this plugin is $99 and you will get 1 year extension updates, 1 year free support and 30 days money back guarantee if you buy it from WooCommerce website. Now even after 1 year, if you do not renew, the coupon plugin will keep on working. So it's not like that it will stop working. Let's see the features of this plugin. There are many different features: free gift coupons or gift products via coupons. The customer will be able to buy the gift cards and they will also able to send the gift card to their relatives or customers. You will also be able to send store credits to the user. You will see different designs to the coupon. It also works with WooCommerce subscriptions. Alright, so there are many different features. So you can also set up the buy one get one offer using this coupon plugin. Right, so this is the plugin. You can also buy this plugin from other websites such as GPL Mall and pluginteam.net. However, you will not get any technical support or you will not get any update to the plugin in future. Alright, so you can buy it from WooCommerce website or you can buy it from other websites. So let's start with the installation of this plugin. Now before we install this plugin, I'll show you that the basic WooCommerce plugin does have the coupons option. You can go to marketing and then go to coupons. In previous videos, we created 3 different types of coupons. You can watch my previous video on WooCommerce coupons and you will see different options here for the coupons: percentage discount, fixed card discount, fixed product discount, and these are the different options that we have on the basic WooCommerce plugin. Now we are going to add gift cards or store credit option by using this WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin. Alright, so let's start with the installation, plugins, and then go to add new. So I already have this plugin downloaded on my computer, so I'm going to upload it. So click on browse and browse the WooCommerce Smart Coupons plugin and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so we have activated the plugin. Now let's first go through the settings of this plugin. So go to WooCommerce and then go to settings. Now on the general tab, you will see this option, enable coupons. So this should be checked. If you do not have it checked, then check this box and then click on save changes. Here at the top, you will see this option, smart coupons. Go to smart coupons. We will go through the necessary settings of this smart coupons plugin. So these are the color options. You can change, you can use any one of them. Now these are the different designs for the coupons. Alright, so let's select this one. I'm going to select this one. Whichever design you want, you can select. And this is the style for the email. So when you send this coupon to someone else, they will see coupon like this. So let's say 10 rupees coupon, and this will be the sample code. Number of coupons to show. So it will show the number of coupons on cart page or my account page. If you set it to 0, the coupon will not be displayed. Now number of the characters in auto generated coupon code. Here you see the sample code. So each coupon will have auto generated coupon code. So this is the length of the coupon code. So I'll leave it on 13. If you want to change it, you can change it. Make sure that it will be between 10 to 15. Okay, now displaying coupons. Include coupons details on products page for products that issue coupons. So let's check this box. Check this also. Include coupons received from other people to on my account. Check this box also. Show invalid or used coupon. So I think we do not need to show the invalid or used coupon, so I'll not check it. Now display coupon description along with the coupon code. Let's see, it shows preview. So let's check the preview. So this is the description. So if you want to show, you can show. So I'll leave it as it is. Coupon emails, check this box. Printing coupons, check this box. Now this will be the name of the coupon, so I'll make it as gift card. Plural will be gift cards. Okay, select options. Let's see preview. Here it shows select options. So leave it as it is. Leave it as it is. Okay, now this one is allow sending coupons to others. It should be allowed. You can check this box so that people will be able to buy coupons for their friends and relatives. Now this is the title. So let's see the preview. So this is how it will show on the card, and this is the description. Enter email address. Okay, so right now we are going to leave it as it is. Allow schedule sending. Yes, check this box. Combine email, check this box, and click on save changes. So these are the basic settings of Smart Coupons plugin. Now let's go to the product. I'm going to create one product, and this will be a gift card of, let's say, 500 rupees. Okay, the currency, you may have a different currency. So let's check this box. Virtual, this will be a virtual product, and the price will be 500. So the price of this gift card will be 500 rupees. So let's select the category. Now let's add the image. So this is the image of 500 rupees gift card. Okay, now let's publish it. Now let's see the product. Under inventory, check this box. So we're going to allow them only one purchase at a time. Refresh it. Right now, let's go to the marketing, then go to coupons. We are going to create a new coupon of 500 rupees. So let's click on add new, and name of this coupon will be gift 500. Just add description 500 rupees gift card. Okay, now fixed. Change this to gift card. And amount will be 500. Okay, now leave the other information as it is and click on publish. And now let's go to this product and go to edit product. Okay, here you can enter the name of the gift coupon. So it will be gift 500. That we are going to link this gift coupon with this product. So click on update. And now let's go back to the product and refresh it. Okay, now you will see this. You will get following coupons when you buy this item. Gift card of rupees 500. Okay, let's click on add to cart, and let's go to view cart. Now go to proceed to checkout. Now send coupons to here. You will see the option. Now if you check this option, send to me. It will go to your email address. If you want to send it to someone else, you can check this option, gift to someone else. Now if you want to send it later, you can uncheck it later, and you will see a date and time that you can choose, and at this date and time it will send this coupon code email address that you mentioned here, right? So right now I'm going to make it now, and here I'm going to enter the email address. So I want to send this gift card to this email address. I already have one user created by using this email address, so it will go to that particular account. So let me add message. Alright, let me buy this one. Let me complete the purchase. So right now we have bought this gift card and we have sent it to another user. So let's see, I am already logged into the other user account. Now here you can see that I have received this gift card. So I'm logged into this website with the another user, and under coupons I see this gift card. Now if I go to all products and let's buy some products from here, add to cart, and let's go to view cart, and you can see that the gift card of 500 is already applied because I clicked on that and it has detected the amount of 500 rupees. So the final amount is 767. So this is how I can send gift card to the relatives and friends, and they will be able to use it. Now we will see how to create a new gift card without any fixed amount. So customer will be able to enter the amount and they will be able to create a gift card of that particular amount. So let's go back to the products and create a new product and name the product. So let's say gift voucher, and select the category, and it will be virtual. Leave the price as it is blank and add the product image. Okay, now let's publish it. Okay, now let's review the product. Now here you will see that there is no price added. So let's go back to the website and create a new coupon. Go to marketing, then go to coupons. Now create add coupon and name it as whatever name you want. I'll make it as gift voucher. Okay, it will be gift card. Leave the amount as it is and check this box, coupon value same as the product's price. So check this box and click on publish. Okay, now let's go to the product and edit product. Okay, here set the coupons, the newly created coupon that will be gift voucher. Select this one and click on update. Now let's go back to the product, refresh it. Now here you can enter the price of the gift voucher. So let's say I'm going to add 1250. This will be the price of the coupon, or this will be the price of the gift card that I want. So 1250, click on add to cart. Let's go to view cart. Now you will see the price of the gift voucher 1250. Let's go to proceed to checkout. Now again I want to send it to my another user. Yeah, you can keep it to yourself also, and you will get the email on your account, or you will see the product on your my account page. Okay, let's place the order. Alright, now let's go back to the website and let's check the my account page of the other user. coupons. Now here you will see the new coupon added to the account. So this coupon is sent by the other account user to this account user. Now what if I want to buy the coupon for myself? So let's go back to the products. Okay, this is the coupon, this is the gift card, and I'm going to purchase it for 700 rupees. Go to view cart, proceed to checkout. This time it will be sent to me only. Place the order. Right now let's go to the account, and here go to coupons. Now you will see that the 700 rupees gift card is here in my own account. So whenever I make purchase, I can use this account, and you will see this coupon code generated automatically. There are many different other settings. You can set the expiration date, you can set the expiration time, you can also create usage restriction, you can link this to another product. So there are many settings that you can do, like the other coupons that we created in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, then you can go ahead and watch the previous video how to create the coupons in WooCommerce. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.